Hello, everybody. Here I am with the discussion number 4 and number 1. It is estimated that there will be 40 zettabyte data stored by 2020. In what ways is it a good thing that humans generate more data every year? In what ways it is not? Before we talk about if more data is a good thing or not, it is important to talk about what that data is. For example, what are these data that are stored as big data? Why it is so important? What will happen or how it is going to be used? Who will get access to all these data that we humans are creating? The answer of all these questions will give us an overview if humans creating more data is a good thing or not. Now, if we consider research, it is very important to create, store, and share data with everybody. Giving access to your data for future research so the scientists, educators, learners, anybody, they can get access, they can learn your research, and they can get benefit out of it, solving a problem and or taking the research further. So on the other hand, if we think about business entity, government organization, financial institutions, hospitals, um, when they need privacy protection, they need to know who is going to access to their information and where they are going to save those data. So it big data generated by humans is potential. Again, more than potential, it is important to manage and protect those data. Many organizations are having real problem. Where is this data stored? Google Cloud or Amazon or somewhere else. And I'm also a student of data science. There we learned that when we store data, big data, they copy three in three different places. One could be in United States, other one could be in Africa, other one could be in Russia or somewhere. So and we can they do it for security so that if we lose this store system, they can bring data from that and um, we will not lose data permanently. But again, we need to have control, manage, and security, basically protection, who can access to this other than, like if I'm generating, who other can have access to this data. So the conclusion is if we can protect, manage, and control the users of this data, then it is great to generate data. Now, question two, do we think humans will learn more effective ways to turn knowledge into wisdom? Why and how, or why not? We first, as a human, we need to understand the benefit turning knowledge into wisdom. Humans require knowledge to enhance their life. We need an intellectual, life based knowledge, a life that practical knowledge results in all its mm, comfort, peace, prosperity, non-violence world, and is built on basis of rationality, humanity, compassion, friendship, and love. McDonald 2001 has also stressed on need of accessing wisdom and points out that most of us have knowledge, but few of us have wisdom, and we have not reached wisdom and intellectuality for directing a good and better life. Chang 2012 believes that transforming knowledge into wisdom at first is based on understanding the differences between knowledge and wisdom. More people, as he says, do not have a deeper and proper understanding of two terms and the difference they have with each other because they are inherently very close together in meaning. He pointed out that knowledge must be earned and wisdom must be experienced. The proper use of knowledge to understand its wisdom, and wisdom creates insight, vision, and correct judgment. At this point, I want to add something like last uh, chapter 3, discussion 3, we learned about listening, how listening helps to understand the full conversation, how it helps to be a good leader or good co-worker, or it um, eliminates your chances to make mistakes. And so when we read all this and we learn the wisdom and we practice in our regular life, that is wisdom. But if we learn and put it under our pillow, it is just a knowledge. We learned it and that's it. So whether more humans are going to learn effective ways to turn knowledge into wisdom or not, we have to advocate for that. Thanks again for listening to me today and giving me feedback. Thank you.